In this video, I'll show you how to update the short description in WooCommerce. Here's the computer desk product on my site. On this page, there are two descriptions. The first one right here is the short description, and just underneath, right over here, is the main product description. Let's assume we need to remove the short description. To make this change, first we'll log into WordPress admin account. Once you're inside dashboard, on the left side of the screen, hover on products, and then select all products. Now look for the product in question. In my case, it's this one, computer desk, then select edit. Once the product editor loads, at the top right corner, click on Screen Options, and then set the checkmark for Product Short Description. Now scroll a bit down, and just under the product data, here's the short description section. Right over here, you can make all the necessary changes. As in my case, let's highlight all this text, then press Delete. Then scroll all the way to the top, and then click on Update. Once the product was updated, go back to your website and try refreshing the product page. And as you can see right here, the short description was fully removed. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please come to my channel. Thank you.